Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some physical business ideas with low investment in Pakistan. Starting a business can be a daunting task, especially if you don't have much capital to invest. But there are still some profitable business ideas that you can start with minimal investment. So, let's get started. Event management services are in high demand in Pakistan, and you can start this business with minimal investment. You can offer services like decoration, catering, and photography. With time, you can expand your services and make a name for yourself in the industry. Starting a car wash business is another low investment business idea that you can consider in Pakistan. You can offer different types of car washing services like car detailing, interior cleaning, and polishing. With a little effort and investment, you can make a profitable business out of it. Food trucks are becoming increasingly popular in Pakistan, and starting one can be a profitable business idea with low investment. You can start by serving fast food items like burgers, fries, and shakes, and gradually expand your menu. House cleaning services are in high demand, especially in urban areas. You can start a house cleaning business with minimal investment and offer services like vacuuming, dusting, and cleaning bathrooms. You can advertise your services online and get new customers through word of mouth. Pet care services are another low investment business idea that you can consider in Pakistan. You can offer services like pet grooming, pet sitting, and dog walking. You can start with a few pets and gradually expand your business. Laundry services are always in demand, and you can start this business with minimal investment. You can offer basic laundry services like washing and ironing clothes and gradually expand your services. Mobile phones are ubiquitous in Pakistan, and starting a mobile repair service can be a profitable business idea. You can start with basic repairs like screen replacement and gradually expand your services. Grocery delivery services are in high demand, and you can start by offering delivery services in your neighborhood. You can start with a few customers and gradually expand your services. You can offer different types of products like vegetables, fruits, and household items. So, these were some low-investment physical business ideas that you can consider in Pakistan. Before starting any business, it's important to conduct market research, identify your target customers, and assess the competition in your area. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.